This is Village Auto's 2009 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ 4-wheel drive. Absolutely pristine one-owner SUV. You have the power rear liftgate, rear wiper, rear defrost, rear backup camera, rear park assist, tow package, 20-inch alloy wheels, privacy glass. Very sharp, well-maintained SUV. This one does come equipped with a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $15,770. Let's get inside here for you. Being the LTZ package is a full leather interior. Third row seat, and this was 7-passenger SUV. You do have the dual screen factory DVD players, rear heating AC controls, heated rear seats. Very, very clean. You have full power options, heated and cooled front leather seats, power driver's side seat with memory, power passenger seat, power moonroof, the HomeLink OnStar, factory navigation system with the auxiliary input, dual automatic climate control, adjustable foot pedals, steering wheel audio controls along with the tow haul mode, cruise control, electronic 4-wheel drive switch with auto feature, factory trailer brake controller. Very, very clean, very well maintained, fully loaded SUV that runs and drives out perfect. Stop by now in Village Auto, bring this 2009 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ 4-wheel drive home with you today.